Welcome to DR TSPR show. This is Dr. Tangella Shiva Prasad Reddy alias Dr. TSPR. Namaste, Adab, hello, and I'm sorry I'm very late today with the topic because everything is hacked. I'm unable to connect. So I had to go through various rigorous issues. Bandwidth, YouTube doesn't open on any, and when I'm trying to connect to record and upload, unable to through various. At last, after complaint, I don't know how I am connecting with you because it is a bit delayed. Neat, what has happened in Supreme Court, I'll come back to you, and why Supreme Court has to immediately take up this trial. Also, we will discuss it tomorrow. Let the entire India discuss it. One, what has happened today in the Supreme Court. And more important, another area wherein people have been losing precious lives. This is, we say, if you have proper education, if you have that knowledge, and that knowledge is tested through competitive exams, whether it is NEET or all, if you don't get good doctor, people will die. And if you don't get good engineers, and when people elect, if you don't get good politicians to administer you, you have to suffer. I'm talking about, yes, railways. Again, my heart goes with all those precious lives who have no more, and my heartfelt condolences to these families, bereaved families. How many times I have to, I'm feeling sick. It's a shame on India. Vishwaguru, you say, how is that you are not able to save precious lives? That is where your governance matters. जब हम कीमती जिंदगी को हम बचा नहीं सकते हैं, तो क्या विश्वगुरु की बात करते हैं आप? कितने हादसे रेल के पिछले जून 2023 में बालासुर में 3 ट्रेन, कोरोमंडल एक्सप्रेस और गुड्स और एक हावड़ा वाली, 3 ट्रेन एक ही ट्रैक पे, 300 से अधिक लोग मारे गए। शर्मिंदा है ये राजनीतिक दल जो भी करते हैं। रेल मंत्री कहाँ है? सो रहे हैं वो तो, नींद में। वो एक अधिकारी रह चुके हैं, हर बार वो वंदे भारत की बात करते हैं। और वंदे भारत कहाँ, आम आदमी जा सकता है वंदे भारत में? और वही रेल ट्रैक पे जा रहे हैं आप। ट्रैक को कोई मजबूत किया, नए ट्रैक को कुछ किया है? तो इसीलिए हम पहले जब सफर करते हैं, सफर में हम सही सलामत जो जहां चाहने जाते हैं वहां पहुंचे, पहले हम हमारी जिंदगी ये है मूल्य, जिंदगी की मूल्य देकर क्या सफर करते हैं रेलवेज में। मोदी जब से सरकार आए, 5 ईयर प्लानिंग था, उसको नीति आयोग कर दिया। क्यों कर दिया किसी को पता नहीं। रेलवेज की सेपरेट बजट थी ताकि वहां क्या हो रहा, क्योंकि गरीबों से, गरीब से लेकर जब हमारे खाने पीने की जो भी है व्यवस्था है, वो एक जगह से दूसरे जगह हर चीज जो है रेल के द्वारा जाता है। इसीलिए रेल को सेपरेट बजट का एक प्राविधान दिया गया ताकि ये आम आदमी नहीं, भारत की जिंदगी, इंडिया की जो है जिंदगी जो है ये रेल पटरियों पे ही चलती है। इसीलिए उसकी सेपरेट एक बजट था। कितना पैसा हम खर्च कर रहे हैं, किस किस तरह की जो उसमें सफर करते हैं उनके लिए कितना महीना रखते हैं आप हर साल, क्या कुछ खूबियां हुए उन पे? और साथ में जब ये हम कहते हैं कि हमारी गुड्स फ्राइट जो भी कहते हैं, वो जो भी ले जाते हैं उसमें कोई सुधार हुआ है, इसके लिए हम बजट लगाते हैं। और किस तरह की पैसे आप लूटते हैं पैसेंजर से, आम आदमी से, और किस तरह की सुविधाएं आप दे रहे हैं। इसीलिए एक रेल बजट था, उसको खत्म कर दिया आपने। क्योंकि मैं एक खुली सी बात करता हूं, मोदी जी और पूरे राजनीतिक दल, क्या ये बड़ी साजिश हो रही है क्या रेल को? क्योंकि जिस तरह पब्लिक सेक्टर यूनिट्स हम जो कहते हैं, HAL हो या BSNL हो या LIC हो या SBI बैंक सेक्टर, जिस तरह प्राइवेट को सौंप दिया जा रहा, इसी तरह रेल ऑलरेडी अदानी को इसमें ला चुके हैं। शर्म की बात है ये। और इसी तरह लापरवाही करते हुए लोगों की मन में आशंका, और लोग जिद हो कि क्या कर रहा है, और रेलवेज को दोष देके इसको प्राइवेट प्लेयर्स को सौंपने की कुछ साजिश है क्या? और वो साजिश कीमती जिंदगियों के साथ अगर खेल रहे हैं आप, इससे बड़ा धोखा देश के साथ कुछ नहीं हो सकता। ये मेरी सोच है, क्योंकि इतने जाने जा रही हैं, क्यों हमारे रेल मंत्री चुपचाप हर बार जब भी जाते हैं वहां, जहां पर भी हादसा होता वहां जाता, उनको ये एक अच्छी आदत है, उन जाते हैं वहां पर, वहां जाते हैं, साइट पे जाते हैं, और वो भी एक अधिकारी भी है, इंजीनियर भी है। हम ये सोच रहे थे कि जब वो साइट पे जाएंगे, वहां लोगों की हाहाकार सुनने सुनने के बाद क्या हुआ, क्यों हुआ, और इस तरह की पुनः नहीं होना चाहिए, कहा जहां कीमती जिंदगी जाए, ये सोचकर हमने उनको दावत दी थी। पर उन्होंने इस तरह की माहौल में हमारे रेल मंत्री है ही नहीं। हर बार हादसा होता है, ये बात करते हैं, मुझे मालूम है बालासुर में, क्योंकि वो उड़ीसा से ही आते हैं। बालासुर में इतनी बड़ी हादसा कैसे हो सकती है? वंदे भारत की बात करते हैं आप, बुलेट ट्रेन की बात करते हैं आप, एक आम आदमी जो सफर करता है वहां पर सुरक्षा ही नहीं है। तो पहले सुरक्षा दीजिए भाई। वंदे भारत को दिखाते हैं, वो आम आदमी जा सकता है क्या वंदे भारत में? इतनी कीमती है वो। पहले सुरक्षा, सुरक्षा में विफल, इस्तीफा देनी है ही नहीं। नीतीश कुमार जी, आप जो है बीजेपी को सपोर्ट दे रहे हैं भाई, आपके साथ चंद्रबाबू नायडू, हर एक बार आपके नाम ले रहा हूं, क्योंकि आप जब मंत्री थे, रेल मंत्री, इसी तरह हादसा होने से आप जिम्मेदारी लेके आप इस्तीफा दिया है। क्या आप यही मांगने वाले हैं आज? एक विचारण मांगने वाले हैं आज? क्यों इस तरह हाँ रेल दुर्घटना हो रही है? क्या पूछताछ करेंगे नीतीश कुमार बाबू? नीट में तो आपके बिहार तो वहीं पर बच्चों के साथ जो स्वास्थ्य के साथ जो हो रहा है धोखाबाजी, बिहार से लेकर गुजरात तक, आप इसी में सिमट रहेंगे? क्या लोगों की जान जा रहे हैं उसी के ऊपर कुछ बात करेंगे आप? कुछ धमकी देंगे ये सरकार को? वरना आप आपकी जो भी सपोर्ट दे रहे वापस लेंगे? इज इट नॉट द सेफ्टी ऑफ travelers more important? Just try to show you Vande Bharat, and can any ordinary citizen travel in Vande Bharat? In whose interest they are creating? Or is this a conspiracy? This is my mind. Because repeated accidents, rail minister goes there, fortunately. He says, I know who is responsible, he says, even before CBI comes out. As has happened is in his own state, Orissa, Balasur, before forgetting another state in West Bengal. 3 trains collided, Coromandel, and then Howrah and goods train, same track, 300 precious lives, and many were injured, and there are many unclaimed bodies still there. If I am wrong, it's a shame, Mr. Railway Minister, Mr. Modi, Prime Minister of India. That's why I'm saying, is this a conspiracy to blame railways? Already you have made Adani to enter. It's a shame. So that people will get vexed and they say, Maro aisi ki taisi railway, so that you will hand over entire railways, as you are doing with public sector units, killing public sector units with a mixed economy. You want to make it capitals like America or Europe. Only 1 or 2 will control. If these capitalists, Adanis or Ambanis, if they have something like that, let them create something on their own. Compete with public sector units. Compete with railways, LIC, SBI. Instead of taking them over, you create such type of structures. Compete with them. That will be the way you say it is service oriented. So that is why my doubt, you can correct me if I am wrong. I'm always there, and it has been delayed. I've told you the issues. And this railways, mind you, should never be given or never be privatized. That is why there was a separate railway budget. Modi, I don't know what is he doing. After he came, he removed railway budget. Why there was railway budget separate? Because it is the transport of a common man in India. It is identified with a common man, Bharatiya Rail, and it is the largest mode of transport in the world for the common man. You are trying to kill the spirit, and not only that, every goods, essential commodities like oil, everything, salt, everything has to be through railways from one area to the other, including infrastructure materials, whether for building or anything. So that railways had a separate budget for that reason. Common man's transport and common man's requirements for day-to-day living, that was railways. That is why separate budget to understand what is happening with railways, whether it is freight goods or passenger fares. When you are increasing, are you giving the same amenities? So that is why, more than amenities, it is the safety of a passenger. When you are trying to take goods from one area to the other, the safety of those goods, those commodities, essential commodities, that is more important and fundamental. For that reason, you had a separate railway budget. You have killed the railway budget. And like 5-year plan, you got Niti Aayog, and railways separate budget, you have clubbed with the main budget. This is a conspiracy. Why? You wanted to treat this as another public sector unit and hand this over to private, as you are doing with Adani. It's a shame. That is why wake up call. It's a shame that precious lives are being lost, in spite of stating India is going to be Vishwaguru. We don't mind, but Vishwaguru at what cost? At the lives of your own Indian citizens? That is what really bothers me. I'll show you after Balasur. He comes from Balasur, Orissa. What has happened there, Mr. Railway Minister? Still the bodies are unidentified there. Is it true or not? Did you fail in that or not? How could you not identify? I stand corrected. If you have already identified, the mortal remains have been handed over. I say, let their souls rest in peace, whether it is Balasur or latest West Bengal. My heartfelt condolences to all those families who are still risking and traveling. And they showcase Vande Bharat every now and then. This is the accident. I'm showing it with Telugu.
ముందు వెళ్తున్న గూడ్స్ పశ్చిమ బెంగాల్లో ఘోర రైలు ప్రమాదం సంభవించింది. ముందు వెళ్తున్న గూడ్స్ రైలును కాంచన్జంగా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ ను గూడ్స్ రైలు ఢీకొట్టడంతో ఈ ప్రమాదం జరిగింది. ఈ ఘటనలో రైలు బోగీలు ఒకదానిపైకి ఒకటి ఎక్కాయి. కొన్ని బోగీలు నుజ్జునుజ్జు కావడంతో ప్రమాద తీవ్రత పెరిగింది. ఈ ఘటనలో పలువురు ప్రయాణికులు గాయపడగా 4 చనిపోయినట్లు తెలుస్తోంది. మృతుల సంఖ్య భారీగా పెరిగే అవకాశం ఉన్నట్లు సమాచారం.
Now it's more than 15 and more have died and more have been injured.
సమాచారం అందుకున్న వెంటనే రైల్వే ప్రొటెక్షన్ ఫోర్స్ బలగాలు, రాష్ట్ర విపత్తు నిర్వహణ బలగాలు, రైల్వే శాఖ అధికారులు, పోలీసులు సంఘటనా స్థలానికి చేరుకొని యుద్ధ ప్రాతిపదికన సహాయక చర్యలు చేపట్టారు. భోగిల్లో చిక్కుకున్న వారిని వెలికి తీస్తున్నారు. క్షతగాత్రుల హాహాకారాలు, చెల్లా చెదురుగా పడ్డ భోగిలతో సంఘటనా స్థలం భీతావహంగా మారింది. ఈ దుర్ఘటన ఒడిశాలో సంభవించిన కోరమండల్ ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ ఉదంతాన్ని గుర్తుకు తెస్తోంది.
A major train accident has occurred in the border region of West Bengal involving the Sealdah bound 13174 Kanchenjunga Express. The train collided with a goods train between Rangapani and Nijbari. Several coaches of the Kanchenjunga Express have been derailed, severely impacting rail operations. There are unconfirmed reports of injury to a few persons in the accident that took place around 9 a.m. The incident took place when the Kanchenjunga Express, running approximately an hour late, was stationary on the tracks and was struck from behind by a freight train. This collision resulted in the significant damage to 3 coaches. Railway authorities there have diverted multiple trains to different stations in response to the incident. Currently, officials are refraining from providing further details, but relief trains have been dispatched from New Jalpaiguri towards the accident site to assist with the situation.
So this is it. And then I'll try to show you the other. Over 329 people died due to train accidents and security issues since Ashwini Vaishnav took charge as railway. More than that, the 15 deaths following the derailment of 3 rail coaches of Silda bound Kanchenjunga Express in West Bengal's Darjeeling district on Monday. 17 June added to the numerous loss of lives due to the recent train accidents in the country. This has happened yesterday. On the same day, a bogie of goods train on its way to Varanasi caught fire at the Sultanpur railway station in Uttar Pradesh. An official said no casualty was reported in the matter. These accidents add to the list of several rail accidents in India since Ashwini Vaishnav took charge as the railway minister in 2021, taking away over more than, and we are not blaming him personally, but why are these things are happening? An accident that occurred in Balasur in Odisha in June 2023, this is his home state, marked one of the worst ever train crashes in India that killed at least 300 actually. Some of the recent train accidents I'm showing you. Balasur train accident on 2nd June 2023. The Coromandel Express collided with a goods train in the Balasur district in Odisha. Due to its high speed, 21 of its coaches were derailed and 3 of them collided with SVMT Bangalore Howrah Superfast Express on the adjacent track. The accident witnessed the death of at least Vizianagaram train accident on 29th October 2023. The Rayagada passenger train rammed into the Vishakhapatnam Palasa train from behind in the Viziyanagar district of Andhra Pradesh. It caused the death of at least 13 people and injured around 50 people. Delhi Kamakhya Northeast Express train derailment. The incident on Bihar's Buxar claimed the lives of at least 4 passengers on 11 October 2023, according to a railway police force official. 70 others were reported injured after 6 coaches of the train derailed near the Raghunathpur station. So I'm just showing you some of them. There are many. And what he says, Kavach, which is going to protect you from by not allowing 2 trains to run on the similar track. So this is called Kavach. And then the signaling system. The failure of signaling system we have been saying from yesteryears when there was no technology. After modern technology, the same minister has been going around trying to sell the latest, but we have to win at home to conquer the world, Minister. Now you see the drama bazi.
देगा और उसमें ब्रेक लगा देगा। जैसे रेड लाइट है तो रेड लाइट के पास में जैसे ट्रेन पहुंचे उससे पहले उस ट्रेन का कवच अपने आप उसे स्पीड को कम कर देगा, कम करके उसको रेड लाइट से पहले रोक लेगा। तो बेसिकली सामने लोगो खड़ा है और हम लोग जब जाने की कोशिश किए ऑटोमेटिकली इसने
ब्रेक अप्लाई कर
कवच ने ब्रेक अप्लाई कर दिया। 300 मीटर पहले ही ब्रेक अप्लाई कर दिया।
मतलब अभी और हम जाने की कोशिश करेंगे तो ये फिर ब्रेक अप्लाई करेंगे।
तो इसे ये तो पीछे वाली ट्रेन में तुरंत कवच उसमें स्पीड कम कर देगा और उसमें ब्रेक लगा देगा। जैसे रेड लाइट है तो रेड लाइट के पास में जैसे ट्रेन पहुंचे उससे पहले पहले उस ट्रेन का कवच अपने आप उसे स्पीड को कम कर देगा, कम करके उसको रेड लाइट से पहले पहले रोक लेगा। तो बेसिकली सामने लोगो खड़ा है और हम लोग जब जाने की कोशिश किए, ऑटोमेटिकली इसने
ब्रेक अप्लाई करें।
कवच ने ब्रेक अप्लाई कर दिया। 300 मीटर पहले ही ब्रेक अप्लाई कर दिया।
मतलब अभी और हम जाने की कोशिश करेंगे तो ये फिर ब्रेक अप्लाई करेंगे।
तो इसे वेरी गुड।
So it is the same minister's his own voice. Before 300 meters, Kavach will not allow the same. If there is any other good, there was another loco on the same track, so it is stopping it. Now I am questioning him. What has happened in Kanchenjunga? What has happened in Balasur? Why so many people, whether it is Vizag or Bihar, so many incidents, minister, whether it is Kavach failure, signal failure, or whatever failure it is, don't you know? These are the commonest failures. Now here I am trying to relate it to your own Kavach. A stationary Kanchenjunga Express, goods train comes and hits it. Precious lives are lost, Mr. Minister. Now how good this Kavach is? Who has manufactured it? Did you put that into any scrutiny, technical scrutiny? And who will be held responsible for all this, Mr. Minister and Mr. Modi? Now you have to say, because now I am demanding even Nitish Kumar and Chandrababu Naidu ji, who are supporting these parties in governance, how many lives you want to take? NEET is happening. Entire student fraternity is on the road. Such health aspect. Still, Nitish Kumar doesn't speak, nor Chandrababu Naidu. Now this accident has happened. Even in Andhra Pradesh also similar accident, Mr. Chandrababu Naidu. Neither you or Mr. Nitish Kumar, you don't speak. And I'll show you another video wherein Nitish Kumar has resigned on moral grounds when he was railway minister. But see here this railway minister, I'll show you this Natak Baji. We feel sad, nothing against him. But I'm showing you everything. Now I will show you this Orissa. This one. This was Balasore, his own state incident. I'm showing it so that he will remember it. Mr. Vaishnav. Last year, June 2nd, 2023. Shaming India. Talk about Vishwaguru, all that nonsense you speak. When you can't save, protect your own precious Indian lives. See, signaling problem. He goes around the world, but he cannot protect his own, that means his own Orissa, Balasur. Now you have this railway minister. Nothing in person, because you are the man. Why the hell you removed railway budget? That is what making accountable. Trying to defame railways and give it on a platter to private. Just trying to show you some videos which I've received. Everything you can verify. I see they show you this to hide this Kanchenjunga in West Bengal and Balasur. They show you Vande Bharat too. Is it not a shame? People are smart enough now. They know what is happening. Has Modi's Vande Bharat push come at the cost of train safety? A significant chunk of railway accidents between 2017 and 2029 happened due to mechanical failures such as track faults. However, the budgetary allocation for track renewals was cut in the 2023-23 budget. 15 persons were killed and at least 30 others were injured on Monday after two trains collided near the new Jalpaiguri railway station in West Bengal. The chairman of Railway Board, Jayvarma Sinha, said that the cause of the accident prima facie seemed to be human error. Again, they try to blame the Royal Railway employees. Sinha also said that Kavach, an anti-train collision system, was being integrated on railway routes throughout the country on a mission mode, adding that it was being planned for West Bengal this year. See, West Bengal, thickly populated state. Before you introduce Vande Bharat, first is safety of people, innocent passengers, Indians important or not, Mr. Chairman, Mr. Prime Minister and Railway Minister? Why the hell you are delaying it? Why the hell are you are doing it in phased manner? Who asked you Vande Bharat? First, this safety mechanism is important. Faulty railway tracks are important. Monitoring them is important. Railway bridges are important. And then signaling system is important. Is this not important? Who asked you Vande Bharat? You could have bought Vande Bharat later. We don't mind. You need technology to improve amenities, facilities, but facilities at the cost of killing passengers. This is what my question is. You want to kill passengers in the name of Vande Bharat? And your own signal system, you said the best in the world. What has happened? Why are so many accidents are happening? In February 2023, when the union budget allocated rupees 2.5 lakh crore to the railways, the Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav underlined that the funds will be used to boost the production of Vande Bharat trains. Now, is this not enough for Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav to resign? Morally, at least, on moral grounds. He is investing on Vande Bharat, leaving railway tracks, the safety of passengers just like that. Whether proper signaling system is there, whether railway tracks are up to date, are they under vigilance, the bridges, and so forth. Are these factors not important? And along with that, basic necessities, when you have just travel comfort, do you have proper seating, water facility? These are the fundamental things which anyone expects. In summer, common man, can you withstand that? Do you have those proper fans and proper amenities in the stations? And for poor or aged people to climb steps and all with their luggage, do you have such amenities? And more than that, are they in a position to afford? That is $1 million question. The railways is paying rupees 115 crore for each Vande Bharat rake as per Economic Times. Such is the government focus on these trains that the Prime Minister himself has launched several Vande Bharat trains routes with relentless promotional messaging about the benefits of the trains. The railways need to take their attention away from showing off introduction of prestigious trains and focus on improving signal system, track maintenance, backup measures, and average passenger comfort. Now they are demanding this. This is what we want. So like that, I'll try to show you what people have been thinking, and this I have already shown you. How he is trying to make himself. Now I'll show you the charge sheet also. Odisha train accident, CBI files charge sheet against 3 railway employees. The Shalimar Chennai court, that you are already aware. The Central Bureau of Investigation filed a charge sheet against 3 railway employees in connection with June 2 train accident involving so and so express. According to CBI, they filed the charge sheet against the senior section engineer in charge signal Arun Kumar Mahanta, senior section engineer signal Amir Khan, and technician Pappu Kumar Yadav. They have been charged. See, the signaling authorities, engineers, they have been booked. But what about the backup facilities which you are providing? Are you releasing sufficient budget for this maintenance of signal system? Mr. Railway Minister, Mr. Modi? Now you have suspended them. CBI said it has investigated. Then why these accidents are still happening? That means minister has no control over his ministry. If you have booked them, if you have identified the reason, why similar incidents were happening in entire India? Killing innocent passengers. This is $1 million question. That is why there is no commitment. They just blame game. They feel neither Prime Minister Modi, neither Amit Shah, neither Railway Minister, they don't travel by train. It's as simple as that. They always want separate jets, and how they are misusing public money. They fly in first class comfort air travels, leaving common man's public transport like railways, or for that matter road transport corporation buses, just like that. That is why these MPs or MLAs elected, they should not be allowed to fly except when there is emergency. They should be made to travel through this public transport, whether it is railways or road transport. Only then they will understand the sufferings of the people. Otherwise, these accidents will keep happening, my dear fellow Indian citizens. It is high time. And railway employees and also unions, is this a conspiracy against railways? You also think, why, if there is any mistake from your employee side, don't you think after Orissa incident, you employees should not allow such type of incidents to happen? But if they are happening, don't you think the blame lies on employees? Or else if there is no proper budgetary allocation, backup facilities, or proper signal system or software or hardware, don't you think it is your duty to come out and complain? Now, social media is there. If not, you are held responsible, as has happened in Orissa. Not only that, is this a big conspiracy to blame entire railways and railway employees so that they can offer this to private, like Adani, already they are giving some lines. It's a shame. Resist that. Otherwise, why do you need government at all? See, after all, death and center announces rupees 10 lakh ex gratia for kin of deceased in West Bengal train collision. The BJP-led central government has announced an enhanced ex gratia compensation for those who lost their lives in train mishap in West Bengal's Darjeeling involving the Kanchenjunga Express passenger train and goods train. Families of the deceased will be provided with rupees 10 lakh each, while a sum of 2.5 lakh and 50,000 will be provided to those who sustained grievous and minor injuries respectively, said Union Railways Minister Ashwini Vaishnav. And what has happened to Balasur? Why unclaimed bodies? Did we learn any lessons after Balasur? So many accidents. Now, what is that you would like to say, Mr. Railway Minister and Prime Minister Modi? Don't you think the separate budget, which has been earmarked, should be there? Just trying to wind up, show you certain other important videos which have been shared. That was Balasur accident. Even before the CBI investigation, he says the root cause identified. See,
इंडिपेंडेंट बॉडी है, कमिश्नर रेल सेफ्टी, उन्होंने
धन इज बिल्ट फॉर सुपर ट्रेडर्स, इसीलिए आपको धन ऐप में मिलेंगे ऐसे बहुत सारे फीचर्स
no,
व्हिच
I
विल
don't
मेक
want to. He already knows why Balasur has happened. But again, so many incidents, what Mamata Banerjee has to say with it.
But I'm sorry, only they are showing Vande Bharat का नाम पे इतना publicity हुआ है. लेकिन where is Duronto? Because after Rajdhani, Duronto was the latest, सबसे ज्यादा speed में चल रहा था. लेकिन अभी चुनाव का टाइम में बता गया 4 वंदे भारत, इसमें नहीं चलता। अभी तो पैसेंजर को एम्यूनिटी भी बंद हो गया, कुछ नहीं हुआ है। टोटल रेल डिपार्टमेंट इज फेसिंग द नेग्लिजेंस, total is a facing the negligence and carelessness of the government. That's why I feel that they must protect proper care. I started so many things, but I'm sorry, only they are showing वंदे भारत का नाम पे इतना publicity हुआ है, लेकिन where is Duronto?
Already there was a Duronto Express fast. What happened to that? Where did it go? She is right in questioning it. पश्चिम बंगाल में बड़ा रेल हादसा, साधारण ट्रेन चला नहीं पा रहे हैं, बात करते हैं बुलेट ट्रेन की। साधारण ट्रेन चला नहीं पा रहे हैं, बात करते हैं बुलेट ट्रेन की। वाह, many such।
रेलवे को हमारे यहाँ की स्वार्थ भरी राजनीति का शिकार होना, लेकिन अब भारतीय रेलवे देशवासियों के लिए ईज ऑफ ट्रैवल का मुख्य आधार बन रही है। साथियों, भारतीय रेल को हम आत्मनिर्भर भारत का भी एक नया माध्यम बना रहे हैं। मैं वोकल फॉर लोकल का प्रचारक हूं, तो भारतीय रेल वोकल फॉर लोकल का एक सशक्त माध्यम है। दर्शकों तक रेल।
प्रधानमंत्री जी, आप क्या कहते हैं? टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर के द्वारा जो दिखाया आपको लिख के दिया जाता है, वास्तव में क्या हो रहा है आपको जाके वहां पता करना चाहिए। प्रधानमंत्री जी, आपने स्वतंत्र आत्मनिर्भर की बात करते हैं, स्वतंत्र बजट तो रेलवे उसको खत्म कर दिया आपने, और इतने हादसे हो रहे हैं, और किसकी बात कर रहे हैं आप? भारत, लोगों की जान जा रही है। भारत का मतलब है हम नागरिकों की जान जा रही है। प्रधानमंत्री जी, पैसे देके वो टिकट खरीद के वो खुद अपने जान लेवा का कारण बन गए।
हमारे यहाँ की स्वार्थ भरी राजनीति का शिकार होना, लेकिन अब भारतीय रेलवे देशवासियों के लिए ईज ऑफ ट्रैवल का मुख्य आधार बन रही है।
कहाँ ईज ऑफ ट्रैवल, ईज ऑफ एक्सीडेंट्स, ईज ऑफ डेथ्स हो गया प्रधानमंत्री जी। क्या बात करते हैं आप?
साथियों, भारतीय रेल को हम आत्मनिर्भर भारत का भी एक नया माध्यम बना रहे हैं। मैं वोकल फॉर लोकल का प्रचारक हूं, तो भारतीय रेल वोकल फॉर लोकल का एक सशक्त माध्यम है।
और कितने बताऊं, कुछ बात कुछ भी कह देते हैं, लेकिन हकीकत में वहां कुछ नहीं होता। पहले ट्वीट किया था मोदी जी के पीछे ANI में, तुरंत मोदी जी को निकाल दिया गया है। क्या गलत है। रेलवे मिनिस्टर अश्विनी वैष्णव इज लीविंग फॉर दार्जिलिंग टू विजिट कंचनजंगा एक्सप्रेस train accident site. This was which he released first. Immediately after that, the Prime Minister's photo is not there. So he don't want to take the blame. That is why I have played the audio of Mr. Prime Minister, who is trying to speak so high about railways, ease of traveling, but he don't want to take. When accident happens, he will just vanish, as will happen during elections. Railway में see here. क्या आप दुर्घटना के समय नरेंद्र मोदी का चेहरा दिखाना बैन हो गया है? पीपल अंडरस्टैंड मोदी जी और रेलवे मिनिस्टर जी, नीतीश जी और चंद्रबाबू नायडू जी, दे आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग। सो बी केयरफुल। नाउ दिस इज अनदर नीट स्कैम के लिए शिक्षा मंत्री जिम्मेदार नहीं, रेल दुर्घटनाओं के लिए रेल मंत्री जिम्मेदार नहीं, और प्रधानमंत्री तो परमात्मा के अवतार है। See, that is how people will look at you. Now you see.
Why the point was not set properly? Nobody has any convincing answer. Nobody can convince me on this count. I think it's total failure of the railway. That's why I have accepted the responsibility. चूक है, और ये चूक ही हम सिर्फ इसको नहीं कहेंगे, ये आपराधिक नेग्लिजेंस, क्रिमिनल नेग्लिजेंस। इसलिए इसको हम पहले तो ओन करते हैं इसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, और हमने रिजिग्नेशन दिया। और सेफ्टी को टॉप मोस्ट प्रायोरिटी मिलनी चाहिए, नंबर 1। और दूसरी बात, जो हमारा सिस्टम है उसके कंसोलिडेशन पर ध्यान देना चाहिए। एक्सपेंशन हम करते चले जा रहे हैं, कंसोलिडेशन पर ध्यान नहीं है। तो आज क्या उनको मिलते ही रेलवे नेटवर्क पर लोड बढ़ रहा है, इसमें टेक्नोलॉजिकल अपग्रेडेशन की सख्त जरूरत है। Why the point was not set properly? Nobody has any convincing answer. Nobody can convince me on this count. I think it's total failure of the railway. That's why I have accepted the responsibility.
Now what will you say, Nitish Kumar ji? आपके साथ चंद्रबाबू नायडू भी है. Will you ask railway minister to resign? Not just like that. So many incidents after his own rail incident in his own state, we thought he will, but he is not. He's just going around trying to just make fun of these accidents. That's how common man, because I will show you, will rail minister resign? Will Nitish Kumar make him to resign? Or they will blame railways, railway employees and hand over railways to Adani or private entrepreneurs. Mr. Nitish Kumar has to come out clean. Oh, I have already played, I'm sorry. Sorry, it's railway minister. That's how they have sent me. He always visits. That is the good virtue of him. I talk to him. Because many don't get time to visit. He visits. He visits. But why he could not stop those failures? That's what. And after visiting also, and see the highest point of railways. रेलवे अधिकारियों ने दुनिया के सबसे ऊंचे रेलवे पुल चिनाब ब्रिज का निरीक्षण किया. See, railways at such a high. And when people die, they are going so low. What is happening in between? Is this proper, not infrastructure development? There are no funds, or they don't have freedom to, like Vande Bharat. Is it only commercial angle? Not the technological aspects wherein safety of passengers is assured through proper signal system, proper railway track, proper bridges, vigilance.
आपके पास
We appreciate. This is the highest, the railways in the world. Bharat Rail is trying to show, but such railways is being handed over on a platter to again Adani, like what they were doing it with HAL during Rafael. It's a shame. That is why I'm trying to build up the morale of railway employees, unions. Kindly come to the rescue of common man. Railways is a common man's transport. गरीबों की जो है ये railways को ही लेते हैं गरीब. वो अपनी क्या कहते हैं हम हिंदी में, ट्रैवल के लिए. मजदूर से लेके मिडिल क्लास का हर कोई जहां भी वो काम करता है वो भारत रेल के द्वारा ही वो जाएगा. और हमारे खान पीन की व्यवस्था जो है, तेल से लेके हर कुछ, सब्जी से लेके हर कुछ, यही रेल के थ्रू ही आएगा, फूड्स के थ्रू. तो ऐसे रेल को एक साजिश के कारण या एक लापरवाही के कारण इतनी कीमती जाने को बैठ रही है. इसीलिए मैं एक अपील कर रहा हूँ रेलवे एम्प्लॉइज और यूनियंस को. आप सोचिए क्यों इस तरह के हादसे हो रहे हैं. क्या आपको सही तरीके से बजट नहीं दिया जा रहा है? क्या आपको स्वतंत्र जिससे आप आपके काम कर सके उसमें कुछ बाधा हो रही है? आप लोग बाहर आके बात करिए, वरना देश के गरीब की जो भी है पूरे देश की भारत रेल को ये लोग ऐसे हाथ से बताकर सौंप देंगे। आपको मालूम है अदानी किस तरह आ रहे हैं। इसीलिए आप सोचिए, देश माने हर कोई नागरिक का पहले पहचान जो है भारत रेल है। अगर यही भारत रेल सरकार की कब्जे से, रेलवे की कब्जे से कहीं दूसरे के हाथ में गया, भारत की परिस्थिति दुस्थिति और आम आदमी की क्या परेशानी होगी आप सोचिए मेरे मित्रों। इसलिए आपसे विनम्र पूर्व से आपसे एक अपील है। इसीलिए बता रहा हूं, हमारी रेलवे क्या कुछ कर सकता है, लेकिन इस तरह हादसे क्यों हो रहे हैं, इसके जिम्मेदार कौन है? I'll just end by showing the last. I think this is the one which I've already shown you. This I've already shown you. This I think already shown you. This is.
A major train accident
Yeah,
has
this I've
occurred in the
already
border
shown you.
region of West Bengal.
This I've already shown you. Nothing. Now you see.
रोक ले भाई, थोड़ा पीछे करो।
He's not wearing a helmet. Safety, Mr. Minister. Why don't you wear a helmet? That is why they say it's publicity. You have to be seen. See the distance he has traveled on a bike. That's why I say rail minister needs 100 meters right to the accident. Flip side, but it's a very unfortunate thing that many precious lives have been lost. And who is to be blamed here? Who is to be blamed? That is what is $1 million question now. And how long people should suffer this way? Who is accountable for train tragedies in India? Who is accountable? So that is why I'm trying to show you. Now I have to say bye to you, but who is accountable? Who is accountable for these rail accidents? ये रेल के हादसे जिम्मेदार कौन है भाई? So I'm going to end here once again. My heart goes with those innocent, precious lives. Prayers for their souls to rest in peace, and heartfelt condolences to all those bereaved families. And for how long we should suffer with this? Is railways top priority should be safety of the passengers. How will it happen? Safety with proper railway tracks. Checking by vigilant teams regularly, not just tracks, but old bridges, culverts, and the stations wherein common man comes and where if he has to climb, whether they have those needed amenities. So signaling so that the trains again, they don't travel on the same track. Signaling system should be perfect. Tracks should be very perfect. And how good these tracks are you maintaining them every year? That is more important and fundamental. Kavach, they say, such a thing which will stop the train running on the same track if there is another train. Why it is not being given on a priority? Why Vande Bharat bogies? That is $1 million question. And why railways are being handed over to Adanis? Why should public sector units go that way? Why they have removed railway budget, separate railway budget, and why they have got it into mainstream budget? What is the reason? And how long these innocent rail passengers should suffer? And why should we suffer? I also travel by train regularly. We get concession as journalists. They're killing the spirit of trains. They have removed the concession for old age and all those things. They are trying to do away with everything, making the travel, public transport travel very costly, whether it is rail or road. So that is why the innocent citizens like us, we should all wake up and say enough of this nonsense by these governments. If you can't maintain and serve, if you can't govern in a proper way, if you can't secure our lives, and if you don't see that we don't have a safe travel, you don't have any business to be there governing us. You better resign. Let this government go. Let entire government go. I'm waiting for Mr. Nitish Kumar's word. What is that he is going to say? Because he has resigned on moral grounds. But after so many accidents, the same railway minister, same prime minister, who has been going out outing and waving flags for Vande Bharat, what is your response? All those allies, including Nitish Kumar and Chandrababu Naidu, and how long you should suffer. We all should suffer. We should come whatever may, should not allow railways to be privatized. And my earnest appeal to all railway employees and unions, is there any big conspiracy? You will be blamed and the entire railways on a platter will be offered. If not, why these accidents are happening, my dear employees and employees unions? Who is at fault? Sufficient budget is not being given to you, or are you not being allowed to work independently? Or is there any other cause which is forbidding you from initiating action so that these accidents would have been stopped? Or in future, these accidents should not happen. So that is my earnest request to you. It is there in your hands. Once again, people, citizens, travelers should demand why after Balasur, Orissa incident, that fatal incident, still these accidents are happening. Who should be held responsible? Thank you very much. Do support DRTSPR channels, Citizens DRTSPR channel and Environment People DRTSPR channel. They are all in larger public interest only. Jai Hind.